Hey, today we're going to be learning the Spider-Man theme tune, and if you're as old as I am, you probably remember it from the 90s cartoon. Now, if you want to watch my full cover with some bonus dancing, click at the top now. Otherwise, it's quite a simple cover, so let's get into it. So to begin, we want to put our middle finger on the second fret of the C string, and our first finger on the first fret of the E string. We're also going to be playing an open A string as well. The first three notes are those in order, so C, E, and A. From here, we're going to bring our third finger down onto the third fret of the E string. Then we're going to lift that up and play the first fret again on the E string. And then we're going to be playing the C string again with the second fret. Altogether, that should sound like this. Keeping our fingers in the same place for the second part is the same thing again, but with some extra open A notes in there. So you're going to throw in two extra A notes just again. For the third section, we're going to slide our hand up the fretboard to third finger 7th fret C string, middle finger 6th fret E string, and first finger 5th fret A string. I'm going to play those strings in order again. From here, we're going to bring our little finger down onto the 8th fret of the E string, lift that up to play the 6th fret on the E string, and then the 7th fret on the C string again. The fourth section is just the second section again. So we'll bring our hand back down to middle finger 2nd fret C string, first finger 1st fret E string, and then an open A string. We'll play that second section all again. So the final section is going to be middle finger 2nd fret C string, first finger 1st fret E string. We're also going to put down our third finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and we're going to have the open A string. Now to play this section, we're going to play A open twice. Then we're going to play E twice. Then we're going to lift that third finger up, so we've got the first finger on the 1st fret. Play that once. Bring the third finger back down and play that again. Lift it up again, get the 1st fret of the E string. And then we're going to end on the C string with the 2. So that whole section should sound like this. Altogether, the cover should sound like this. Hopefully we found that tutorial useful. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like me to do a tutorial for, but for now let's see what YouTube wants you to watch next.